Televisa presenta.
Hello, my name is Sergio González Chavez, and I'm going to talk about rights of children. Right to life, survive, and develop. For children, the right to life is the chance to be able to live and have the possibility to grow, to develop, and become adults. This right comprises two essential aspects: the right to have one's life protected from birth, and the right to be able to survive and develop appropriately. The second is the right to identify. Having an identity is a fundamental human right which allows each individual the ability to enjoy all the rights. Identify encompasses the family name, the subname, date of birth, gender, and the nationality of the individual. The third right of children is the family name, the subname, date of birth, gender, and the nationality of the individual. The third right of children is the right of priority. All people have the right to be ensured as a priority before adults. The full exercise of all their rights for this purpose will always be considered. And the fourth right to sustain equality. For children, equality requires providing the support capable of sustaining their equality at birth, their equal right to achieve to their full developed capacity. And the fifth right is to live with the family. The children and young people have the right to keep in contact with their parents if the state is responsible for the being separated from a parent, as would be the case if the parents were in prison or deported. Then it should be able to tell them where our parents is. Children and young people have lost contact with their parents should be able to be reunited with their families if they wish.
Hello, today I'm going to talk about with the human right. My partner Sergio and me, I talk about the right. To the right of adolescents. Right to life is the first right. Survival and development as children and adolescents should enjoy full life in conditions consistent with their dignity. They should not abuse it and or violate. This is the very important right. The second right is the priority. They have the right to a secure priority in terms of protection and relief in any eventuality is well to be often died before. This is the very important because most persons do not have the priority of your children or adolescents. The right is the right to conclusion of children and adolescents with disability. They have a right enjoy the right contained in the law, the Constitution and international treaties, as well as the life included in the community and in the conditions are other children and adolescents. And right of association is only. As children and adolescents have the right to associate and assemble. And this is the very important right of privacy. They have a right of personal privacy and the protection of their personal data. This is super very important in the life.